Good day, good day, good day. So now we have another TV. This one is 42-inch super strong TV that came in for repair. This TV is stuck on red by uh, on standby red light. Where's the red light? Here at the center. You see the red light at the center? We have the red light at the center here. Pressing the power. It's not responding. It's just stuck. Trust me, this can be a bad fault. There are so many reasons why your TV got stuck on standby red light. Maybe you have a problem with the 5 volts power supply which is always on, or you might have problem with the switch button itself, but the owner said even with the remote the TV is not responding. Maybe the sensor is dead, maybe the power on button is faulty, maybe the 5 volts driver is not outputting 5 volts which is always on, or the 5 volts driver somehow the 5 volts driver is interrupted, or you might have a firmware problem from the EPROM IC. In the worst cases, you have a dead CPU. So let's find out. So here we have the motherboard for the TV. Here the TV is stuck on a standby red light. What to check? We are checking the switch button. We are checking the EPROM. Okay. I think you can't see, but here we have the processor. Next to the processor, we have some few corroded pins, but you can't see. We have few corroded pins. So obvious if the pins they are corroded, like water damage. I don't know how some drops of water managed to reach the CPU for the reasons which I don't know. So all what we need to do, we need to clean up. After cleaning, my soldering paste, where are you? My soldering paste is here, right round the chip. We do a slight reflow, 300 degrees Celsius full air, just to insulate the processor against corrosion. That should be fine. The next step is to cool down the CPU. Let's cool down the CPU. Maybe that was the problem. Maybe it's not the problem. Something else is preventing this motherboard from turning on. But from what I see based on visual inspection, there are some interrupted pins by water damage on the CPU. Maybe that might be the cause. Yeah, the CPU is still warm. So, TV repairs, they are so simple to fix. Very simple. No main power supplies here. We have the 12 volts power supply. We have the 3.3. We have the 5 volts, which is always on. So, if you are a beginner and you love fixing electronics, or you wish to do this kind of job, I will say TV repairs is a good starting point. Let's plug in the power supply. Plug in the power supply. We do have red light for the standby. Let's try to power on. and it's changing to green. So this job is done. So that was the problem with this TV. That was the problem, just as simple as that. It's simple if you know where to check, but can be complicated if you don't know where to check exactly. So let me put all together and then we'll come for the final test. So I've put the motherboard. How to flip this. How to flip this. That's the same motherboard. And our TV is still stuck. Is still powering on. You can see our motherboard is still on standby. We still have standby light. Pressing the power is changing to blue. And this is writing Samsung. Huh? Like really? Let me power it off. On. Yeah, Samsung. And our TV is working fine. You can see everything is working fine. The owner of this TV bring in the remote. We do have this remote. I want to test also with the remote off. Maybe we do have problem with the batteries for the remote, but off. Our TV is now off. Maybe the remote is dead. Who knows? Who knows? Let me try to change some batteries. On. No, the remote is not working. This remote is not working. So I'll try to look for another remote for this TV. And then I'll speak obvious with the owner because he has to put an extra amount for the remote on the TV. Otherwise, the TV is working fine. You can see Samsung. Everything is working fine and normal. The screen is healthy. So this is how you can diagnose and fix a TV that is stuck on standby red light. In our case, few pins were interrupted on the CPU because everything is being controlled by the CPU. So if some pins they are interrupted, you might have this kind of problem. See you on the next one. Bye bye.